Hey guys, it's Grace here. I'm going to show you all the different ways you can wear our Chicky convertible dress. Not only is it incredibly versatile and great for mix and matching your bridesmaids, it's also insanely comfortable. I'm talking like pajama level comfortable. It's made of a super breathable, lightweight stretch mesh fabric that just moves with your movements. It comes with 2 extra long front streamers. That's about 31 inches longer than the body of the dress for optimal convertibility. You'll notice that all of our convertible gowns come with longer front streamers. Okay, I'll show you how.
The most classic way to wear this dress is as a simple strapless. All you have to do is pull the streamers back and tie it in a bow or a knot. You can wear it as a simple halter style by pulling the streamers up and around your neck. I love a good GRECIAN neckline. I think it looks so incredibly elegant. To get the look, tie the streamers at the top center of the sweetheart neckline and bring them back. For a triangle back, tie the streamers around your neck, then pull them down to the sides and through the belt loops, and then bring them back. To create sleeves, keep the knot at the top of the sweetheart neckline, but pull the fabric down to cover your shoulders. You really can't go wrong with a simple V-neck, and it's great if you need extra chest support. Simply pull the streamers up and over your shoulders. To create a crisscross back, pull the streamers over your shoulders and bring them down to the opposite sides of your waist. Pull them through the belt loops, then bring them back. For butterfly sleeves, simply pull the fabric down to create sleeves. I love a good one shoulder. To get the look, pull both streamers up and across your body over one shoulder. Twist it once or twice at the top of your shoulder to secure the straps in place. For the back, bring one streamer straight down and the other across your back. Pull them through the belt loops and tie. For cold shoulder, twist it at the top of the sweetheart neckline and bring one streamer over your shoulder and the other to the side of your arm. For a solo sleeve, pull both streamers up and across your body over one shoulder again, but pull down the fabric to create a sleeve. For crisscross, bring each streamer across your body and over the opposite shoulder.
You can also get really creative with how you style the back of this as well. All you want to do is leverage these belt loops here. We made them extra sturdy so that they won't snap off to help keep the streamers in place. Also, something to note, this fabric is a little heavier than our chiffon or tulle, and so a bow still looks nice, but it might droop a little and feel a little heavy, so our recommendation is to go with a knot.
For a TBACK, tie the streamers around your neck, then bring both straps straight down and tie again at the back line of your dress. For a twisted back, do the same thing, but twist it into a rope.
There's so many other ways to style our Chicky dress, so feel free to get a little creative, experiment a little, and see what you can come up with.